All right. So this is our spreadsheet. The name of the spreadsheet is Ebola virus 2026. So this spreadsheet consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 worksheets. So the first worksheet, the name is chart. The second one is sorting. The third one is function. The fourth one is logical. The fifth one is formula. And then the last one is sources. So this is only a source, not part of the questions or tasks. So do not answer this worksheet. Okay? Under worksheet sources. So let's start with worksheet chart. So click this chart. And then in the worksheet chart, so this is our table. Okay? The data. And then these our tasks. So you're asked to perform the task. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tasks. So let's start with task 1. Create a clustered column chart using B5 to E11. So in a given table or data, you are going to create a chart. Okay? So what kind of chart? It is a clustered column chart. So what will be the reference? So from this task, okay, we have B5. So this is B, and then this is 5. And then go to column E. So this is column E. And then go to 11. So go down. So this is E11. And then after that, from the upper portion of your screen, you will see here Insert tab. So click this. And then from there, you look for charts. Okay, so this is our charts. And then select this chart. Okay, so insert column or bar chart. So click the arrow down and then select the first one. So this is our clustered column. So click this. Okay, so this is task number 1. And then for task number 2, position the chart inside the green box. So this is your chart. So you are asked to place this chart inside this box, the green box. So let us drag this and then put it inside. So that is task number 2. And then task number 3, add chart title. The name of the chart is Ebola Outbreak Trend 2026. So as you can see from here, chart title, you can click this. And then inside the text box here, you can delete using a backspace from your keyboard. And then enter the word Ebola. Ebola, space, and then outbreak, space, trend, space 2026, and then you click here outside the graph. Okay, so that is task number 3. And then task number 4, add data labels to the chart. So this is your chart. You can click here, double click here in this area, and then in the upper left portion of your screen here, you will see add chart element. So you see the arrow pointing down, so click this one, and then you count 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the data labels, and then inside the data labels, we're going to select the outside end so that we can see easily the value, okay, of the data labels. So click this, and then these are the values of data labels. And then after that, you click here outside. You can close this, and then you can go to the next task. So the next task is convert clustered column chart. So this is our clustered column chart. Convert this to pie chart. So to convert this clustered column chart to a pie chart, so again, double click this chart, and then on the right portion of your screen, so this part, you will see change chart type. So click this one, and then what you will see here is the different types of chart. So you select pie. Okay, so click this, and then this is our pie, and then you click OK. So it's automatically converted. So from clustered column to a pie chart. And then close this, and then click here. So that is your last task.